If you want to unblock a phone number on Google Pixel 9a, first and foremost we need to go to the phone app, and we have a couple of ways to do so. For example, if you have the contact still saved in your contacts, obviously the phone number is saved in your contacts, then you can go to the contacts and select the contact that you wish to unblock. Scroll down in order to find unblock numbers option. So tap over here and confirm that you want to unblock it. The second method is to go to recents, and this is in case you still have the call. So for example, if someone tried to call you or you had the call, and you can find it in the history over here, then you can press and hold your finger on the blocked phone number in order to find the option to unblock it over here. In my case, this option is not here because I actually selected voicemail, so there is no option to block or unblock the phone number. But besides that, there's also the third option. We can tap on these three dots in the top right corner, go to settings, choose block numbers, and then over here we have the list of all numbers that we have blocked. So we can tap on this X on the right side and confirm that we want to unblock it in order to do so. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!